Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to look at the price action in silver US dollar currency pairs. We'll look at the price action from the higher time frame, which is weekly time frame to 15 minutes time frame, and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So I am in weekly time frame now. When we look at the past price action in the weekly time frame, from the support level of 11.70, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bullish side retracement, and after testing the resistance level of 29.86, we have noticed a price action to retrace on the bearish side. So the overall, the current trend of the price action in weekly time frame is in a bearish trend because it has not broken the previous highs so far. And only when the price action breaks the previous highs, we can expect the chances for the price action to bounce back on the bullish trend. And when we look at the trend using the channel pattern also, we can clearly notice that it has respected this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, and we are noticing it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So if the bearish trend continues also, we can expect it to take support on the previous trend line or the support line from the bearish channel pattern. So when we check the price action using the Fibonacci's retracement tool also, we can notice that it has broken the support level of 38.20% of the Fibonacci's tool, which was around 23.04 level, and it is falling further to retest on the 50% level of the Fibonacci's tool, which is around 20.84. This level had also acted as a neck level of the double bottom pattern in the past price action. So we can expect it to take support on this, and if the bearish trend is still stronger, we can expect it to fall further and to take support on the bearish channel pattern trend line or the support line. And since the overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, we can expect the price action to fall further and to continue with bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. In daily time frame, when we look at the price action in daily time frame also, we are noticing it to bounce back from this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern on the bearish side retracement. Previously it was on a bullish trend respecting this trend line or the support line, and after testing this resistance line, it has breached this trend line, and we are noticing it to bounce back on the bearish side because the overall price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern. It has to break this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern if the price action wants to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So as I explained in the weekly time frame, next level of support is going to be around 20.84 level. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 18.71 level. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame also, we are noticing the price action to be trading on a very strong bearish trend. So as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect a bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. So if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement, wait for it to break this resistance line, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 22.93. But looking at the overall price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. So I would not recommend you to trade against the trend. If you are already in the opposite trade, you can wait for it to retrace and to exit from the current trade with a minimum loss. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 21.99 and support level of 21.61. And if the price action breaks the support level of 21.61, next level of support is going to be around 21.32, 21.00, 21.84, 21.58, 21.05 and 19.35. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 21.99 and makes a bullish side retracement, And the next level of resistance is going to be around 22.59 and 22.93. Please note that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also we are noticing the price action to get into an consolidation stage. Then we have noticed a directional momentum to start breaking this previous low. So the overall trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bearish trend because we are noticing the price action to continuously trend on the bearish side, breaking the previous lows. So the values within this red color boxes are the current support and resistance levels for the price action in hourly time frame. The current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. And the price action is trading between the resistance level of 22.05 and support level of 21.84. And if the price action breaks the support level of 21.84, next level of support is going to be around 21.57, 21.16 and 21.84. And if the price action takes support at the support level of 21.84 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 21.05, 22.25, 22.55 and 22.93. The bounce back on the bullish side will be considered only as a retracement. It's not a trend reversal, because when we look at the overall trend of the price action from the higher time frame is on a bearish trend for now. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to continuously trend on the bearish side retracement. Looking at the past price action, I have drawn a trend line or a support line. Wait for the price action to break this support line, based on which you can freshly enter on the bearish side trade in 30 minutes time frame. And so the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 21.83 and the resistance level of 21.93. If the bearish trend continues and breaks the support level of 21.83, next level of support is going to be around 21.71, 21.55, 21.35, 21.08 and 21.84. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support around the support level of 21.83 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 21.93, 22.01, 22.13 and 22.30. And the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also in a bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, we have noticed it to make a double top pattern and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. We can also notice that it has retraced to the level where it started its bullish side bounce back. And once the price action breaks this support line from the 30 minutes time frame, we can expect a fresh bearish trend to start in 15 minutes time frame. Because the overall trend of the price action in 15 minutes time frame is also in a bearish trend for now. And the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 21.87 and resistance level of 21.95. Once the price action breaks the support level of 21.87, next level of support is going to be around 21.77. Please refer the 30 minutes time frame for the bearish side targets. And if the price action takes support around the support level of 21.87 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 21.95, 22.01, 22.06, 22.09, 22.12, 22.17 and 22.23. And please note that price action doesn't move in a straight line like this. It always makes a retracement. then falls further on the bearish trend. So it will not be the sign on the bullish side trend reversal. It is a retracement to continue with current trend. So be careful not to enter into the opposite direction trades. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.